Hi, I'm Tony Cabrera with Cres, and I'm here to introduce you to the half-size QuikTherm cook and hold convection oven. This oven goes from ambient temperature to 350 degrees in under 10 minutes. This unit also holds, proofs, bakes, roasts, retherms foods from frozen, and acts like a convection oven all in one simple economical unit. This unit also passes all the UL grease laden emissions tests, making it a non-venting oven for easy installation, but check your local codes just in case. Our simple-to-use controls go right into a hold mode as soon as you're done cooking. We've also equipped it with an aquatemp system which adds humidity into the cavity for more delicate foods. We've equipped this oven with 6 blowers on the ceiling for air circulation, for more cooking of more product at one time. We've also added a turbo switch, which allows you to operate all 6 blowers for fast cooking. It can be dropped down to 4 blowers for more delicate foods, and then of course it drops down to 2 blowers when you're in hold mode. Let us show you more of what this fantastic oven can do.